Hey everyone, it's Rhino415. Just want to do a quick Air Jordan unboxing video. I just picked up my first pair of Air Jordans since 2020. The last pair I got are these Jubilee 11s here. So it's been about 2.5 years, and I decided to pick up the Air Jordan 3 Retro Wizards colorway, the true blue and copper. So I'm going to unbox this, and I just want to see what everyone thinks about the shoe. All right, so this box looks pretty cool here. I like the blue color. Obviously, it goes with the theme of the shoe. So I'm excited. Let's see. I'm gonna bring them out here. So this is the left pair, and this is the right pair. This is only the second Air Jordan 3 Retro that I have. I got the fire red ones back in 2007. These look really cool. I just want to know what you guys think. So it's copper. It's like kind of like the True Blues, but it's not red, obviously. I think that the copper, personally, I like the way it goes better than the red on the True Blues. That's just my opinion. Jordan logo on the back, and then on the bottom of the shoe, again, you get that copper color. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm gonna keep doing Jordan videos. Thanks.